Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll show you how I draw Naruto. So for this we need 300 GSM paper, DOMS pencil colors, Camlin brush pens, black pen and white pen. So in this video I'll show you the full process, like how I draw the Naruto. So you can enjoy the video. So after all this coloring, this is how our Naruto is looking like. So if you enjoy this video, then like it, share it with your friends and subscribe to my channel. And thanks for watching and bye.